Good morning, good evening, from wherever you at. It's Mr. Stick To It. I was contemplating when I was going to actually do a live audio. So much has been going on. I definitely will share my experiences, the journey so far. But I just said if I don't do it now, then when? But Mr. Stick To It will stick to it. So right now, I'm ripping me a DTF print. I had a couple hiccups last night. I didn't get to rip or develop what I wanted to, but that does not stop the game, so we must continue. Looks like everything is okay. Here we go. What I'm noticing, every time you get to the end, you find something. It's always something, so I guess that's what helps perfect the craft, but at times it definitely could be a headache. I definitely want to say shout out to all my subscribers so far. You walking with me in this journey. I'm definitely new to the digital world. I actually have been motivated by my wife, who's currently in process of her digital creation as well. So for the last maybe 2 weeks, I've had a lot to go on, a lot. From getting a printer, what you see in the back, to getting a laptop. I don't want to move the camera, but I have a Cricut machine over there, and the heat press as well. I'm sure you've seen in my videos, but merging it all together definitely is time consuming, but you have to keep going. So here I am. Eventually you'll see more and more as I learn to get the correct angles, shots, whatnot, but trial by error, right? So I'm not going to be, everything is going to be perfect with me and everything is laid out okay, but I'm here to just open up, share my worldly experiences, life experiences, spiritual experiences, just things that I've overcame in my past. And hopefully you guys will ride along with me, support the channel, definitely. But the journey that I'm on right now, excuse my bird in the background, figured she would be loud, but just tag along with me and we're gonna stick to it.